Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to gain insight into your students' overall reading habits and total reading time. You can also find out how many books they have read, flashcard sets they have opened, and how successfully they have completed the follow-up tasks and games. Go to the Statistics section to see a brief overview of your school's results. In this chart is a graph showing the number of books read over a certain period of time by students. You can set a time frame here. Just choose the start and end date from the calendar and click Filter. Alternatively, use the Quick Preset, which filters the data of the last 7 days. Select your class and the chart automatically updates. Based on the class selected, the Who Read the Most Books also gets updated. This is a feature we introduced in case you'd like to reward the students who put the most work into reading with BOOKR Class. Further down this page are more detailed statistics about students. Search the students by name or class and see the results in the chart below. Scroll right to see more information about their reading activity. If you click on View Statistics, the student's individual statistics page appears. At the top of the page is a quick summary of the student's overall reading achievement. On the right side is a chart that gives insight into the number of books read by this student. You can set the time frame to see the reading results over a particular time period. Further down the page is the most important part of the statistics section, where you can see exactly what the students have been up to. First, select the data you'd like to see. You can choose from all books the students read in the BOOKR Class app, or only the books that were assigned by you. If you have a specific book you are interested in, type the title in the search bar. Scroll right to see detailed figures showing when students completed a book, solved tasks in the application, and even how much time they spent on a specific book, game, or flashcard set. This information can be extremely valuable for teachers. It provides insights into individual differences in skills as well as in motivation. If you go back to the statistics page, there is a lot of information about the books the students have read. In the chart are the books and numbers showing how many times books were read, assigned and added to favorites. This section is extremely helpful to gain insight into which books, topics or genre are the most popular among your students.